Nature's calling. The sun sneaking glances through the trees. The open road beckoning you to go further. Nature has a way of bringing us together. At Discovery Dream Homes, our objective is simple. Build a dream home that's centered around one thing. You. Using only the most unique and quality materials, our veteran production team will expertly plant the pillars of your home. This is home. Your place to belong. This is where memories are made. Where stories are written. Where friends come to visit and end up leaving as family. Where you spend winters curled on a couch. And summer hiding from the heat. This is the dream home you've been waiting for.